Automating just got easier. Previously, to kickstart a Zenphi flow like this, users had to go to the corresponding form and fill in all the details. But what if they could do it from a space where they already work in on a daily basis? With the new AI Studio, you can kickstart flows directly from Google Chat. What's great about this new feature is it enables your entire team to be able to use your Zenphi automations, and not just the designers themselves. Users can simply say something like, "I'd like to request a new laptop." AI will automatically know which agent corresponds to the message being sent and ask the pertaining questions to send the request for you. You can also ask about your requests, see if they've been reviewed or still pending, making task management so much easier. The best part is you can limit the data before AI sees it. This way, users can only ask about their own requests and not receive information about anyone else's, for example. Zenphi uses rule-based logic to decide what data to give the user instead of letting AI decide. If for whatever reason you don't want to use the Zenphi Assistant through Google Chat, we have a second option as well. Simply head on over to zenphi.ai and you'll see something like this. This option provides a seamless experience as well. You can choose your workspace up at the top. You may have different agents in each workspace you're a part of. Then create a new chat for new requests, or keep chatting in the same ones to receive updates about an existing request, like the status of your hardware request, for example. Now, for our designers, we have added these icons that indicate where the flow was invoked from. That way, you'll know if it was run from an agent right away, along with who made the request. As we can see, the assistant started my flow, and I can see the information in my table as well. Being able to ask for updates keeps everyone in the loop. On the back end, everything happens as if the user had filled out the form. It gets sent for approval as normal. Let's see what happens when I approve the request and then ask for a status update. And in seconds, I am able to know that my request has been approved. This is a game changer. Now you can create flows to request leave, change your password, request to be added to a shared drive, and have anyone be able to use it regardless.